Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the game's installation folder and backing up saves. This protects progress if compatibility changes cause issues. Once done, close Steam entirely and kill background processes so files are not locked. Make a Windows restore point to roll back system changes quickly. Then navigate to the game exe inside the install folder. You will use that exe to set compatibility. This immediate prep saves time and prevents common permission or file lock problems before changing settings. You now change the executable's compatibility flags to emulate the environment the game expects. Right-click the exe, open Properties, then the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in Compatibility Mode and choose the closest Windows version that previously worked. Once done, enable Run this program as an administrator to prevent permission errors and tweak DPI scaling or color depth if the UI looks wrong. Apply changes and note which options you set, so you can revert or iterate quickly after testing. You should relaunch Steam and either add the exe as a non-Steam shortcut or start the game normally. Steam will honor the OS-level compatibility flags. Once running, confirm gameplay and features function. If it still crashes, toggle a different Windows compatibility version or disable full-screen optimizations and test again. Make sure to verify game files in Steam and review any crash logs to identify missing DLLs. If changes break the system, use your restore point or saved backup to revert. This single troubleshooting
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.